Welcome back to Christmas Cooking with Mama Sue, and Amy's been helping me today. But I'm going to make Miss Annie's easy pecan praline recipe, and our friend Carolyn Drinker gave her this recipe, and I love pralines. So you're going to start off with 1/4 of a cup of melted butter, which is a half a stick. All right, now you're going to take 1 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of light brown sugar, well, that's 2/3 cup, so I better get 1/3 out. I thought that was okay. Now, 1 can, and this is a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and I'm using the Walmart brand because it's good. I'm telling you, anything that says easy to me is definitely worth trying. A teaspoon of vanilla. And I told y'all this is the vanilla that I made a while back. And some of you have asked me to tell you how I made it. And I will. That'll be another day. A teaspoon. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay. I'm gonna mix this up before I put my pecans in. When we had our Southern Cooking Creators at our office back in September, Mimi from Mimi's Recipes gave us all some pralines, and they were delicious. Okay, 2 cups of pecans. And y'all know that I use Whaley's pecans from Troy, Alabama. You can order them by going to whaleypecan.com. Now we're gonna microwave this for 10 minutes, but every 2 minutes, we're going to stop it and stir. So what I'm going to do is I'll come back after the 10 minutes and I'll show you the next step. But just know that every 2 minutes, I'm going to stir it for 10 minutes. Okay, this has microwaved for 10 minutes, and every 2 minutes I've stirred it. And now I've sprayed my parchment paper because Miss Annie said that it tends to want to stick if you don't. So I did. Gotta hurry and get this out, I know that. Oh man, I just hope it's as good as I'm thinking it's gonna be.
We're gonna come back when you're done?
Yes, we'll come back. It says to let it stand for 2 to 3 hours, and we'll be back. The pralines are ready. They didn't stick at all on the parchment paper. They're delicious. I've already eaten one, and so easy. You saw you can make them in the microwave, so I hope you'll try it. Remember to be salty and light, and I'll be back with another Christmas candy.